Hey guys, so like it says on the homework website, you should be checking your email. That's where your papers are going to be for today. So typically, if we were in class, we would do kind of a walkabout there. All right, and the colors would represent the stations that you're at. So that's why it's labeled as lesson 27 stations, because this is one we typically have you up and moving around the classroom for. Since that's not the case and you're at home, I guess you could tape them up around your room or your house if you want, but certainly not necessary. So your lesson 27, all right, you can just kind of match them up color coded wise here. So let me show you what we're talking about here. Here we go. So here's the document that you have. Again, I would have a red sheet of paper. There's the problem that's there, and there's two parts. What's the amount of the discount, and then what is the sale price? So we saw this last week regarding the discount, about how much you had to take off the price. Now we're seeing sale price. So sale price would end up being then what is the price? So if it's originally $44, and let's say you find out the discount is, I don't know, $11, what you've got to make sure that you do to figure out your sale price then is to subtract and the 44 minus the 11. Hey, $33, that is your sale price that you are looking at. So again, something we do want to watch. So that's what you got going on. You've also been sent packets regarding the new packets, the Unit 2. We will get those in your hands on Thursday when we see you next. Just one of those really off schedules that we've got. No need to print them. You can, if you want to print individual ones, hey, that's your choice. Just a separate sheet of paper. All right. So the main thing is you've seen it. You've had a chance to kind of digest it a little bit, talk about it, think about it a little bit. So either you're coming in with questions right away, or you're like, "Ooh, I see what's going on," and you're coming in with that knowledge. So no matter where you're at, you know that we will talk about it again, and we'll walk you through it there. So yeah, that's what we've got for you. I'm trying to think about anything else. Let me go to your homework website here, see your email for today's paper, watch this. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna have right here in a moment. Classwork 27 stations, and then notes 2.1, see email. Yep, we're set. All right, people, enjoy.